Welcome back, General. Command is pleased with your work. The Tempest you harvested will go a long way to fueling our cause. If you're going to be out there on the front lines, you should know more about it. The Tempest is more than a resource. That's how GDF sees it. But they are short-sighted. It is true power for everyone. Power that anyone can have. It came to us in our time of need. That's what our dynasty was founded upon. The Tempest is the birthright of our dynasty. The radiation that saturates our lands after the Great War makes it the perfect environment for the vines to grow. They start underground in the upper crust, growing straight out of solid rock. But our scientists have yet to find a termination point. It's not like the vines are all connected somewhere. They just start growing. It's as if the seeds were there all along, and the fallout was all they needed to grow. But that doesn't make sense. The Tempest grows even where there is no radiation, just at a significantly reduced rate. 10 years in, and even with everything we can do with it, we still have so many unanswered questions. Simple. The Tempest is energy. Energy is money. It came to us. It grows on our land from our irrigated soil, cleansing it and providing us with clean energy with which to rebuild. The people almost lost everything to that fool's war, but we were blessed with this one gift. The GTF machine hungers for more fuel as it continues to expand across the globe. While the biologists are all squabbling over how to classify the organism, if it can even be called that, it's the pod juice you need to know about. The fluid inside possesses what should be impossible qualities. The quantity of energy it somehow stores is astonishing. That's why you see the electric charges around the vines, and why you don't want to drive unshielded vehicles through Tempest patches. We've mostly converted to Tempest power across the board. And I've heard the R&D teams are working on all sorts of fun stuff. I'll keep you posted, shall I? Understood. Let's get you back out there. Got something a little different for you, General. A naval GDF task force is a little off course. They seem to have gotten lost in the Black Sea, and ended up deep in Dynasty territory. I suppose that's what happens when their scopes can't find half of our bases. That being said, they've brought enough firepower to establish a small foothold. If I may make a recommendation, perhaps you should give them a map when you turn them out of our base. Good luck, General.
A GDF naval sortie have captured one of our bases by the Black Sea. A VIP stationed at this base guarantees he possesses information worth mounting a rescue mission. Reclaim the base and the Tempest, and secure the VIP. We will deny GDF intel at least, but if it is of no value to the Dynasty, you are authorized to deal with our VIP yourself. Command uplink initializing. Stand by.
The Dynasty are here! Mind the bridge! Fall back!
I got him.
They've placed anti-tank mines on the bridge. If you cover us, we can disarm them.
Getting to position. Give me the word. Shifting them.
Whatever you need. Easy now.
General, Lydia has intel on an informant who was stationed here when GDF attacked. We cannot allow GDF to take him. Reclaim the base and secure the VIP.
Dynasty!
Clear the skies. Received. Getting to position. Moving out. Confirmed.
Technician. No problem.
Approaching. Fire. Target acknowledged.
Okay. Relocating them. Of course.
A salvage van was captured around here. Looks like it may have been taken south. It could be valuable to keep our tanks in working order.
Down. Bringing down. Target acknowledged.
The salvage van repairs nearby vehicles while stationary. It can be permanently deployed into a salvage center for increased repair range and build radius.
Ready to work. I'm moving. Over there. On the road. On it. Of course. I'm moving. Whatever you say. Fire! I'm moving. Salvage van. Light it up. Approaching. Are you ready? Blow it up. Whatever you say. What do you need? We can handle it. You got the parts? Orders, General. Brace for recoil. Vehicle repair. Over there? Of course. On it. On the road. I'm moving. Over there? On it. Whatever you say. Of course. Getting in close. On it. Over there. On the road. Of course.
Prisoner secured! Let's move!
VIP sighted.
It's the Dynasty! Defend the base!
Fire!
that you, HQ? Target confirmed, General.
General, I've routed the Tempest rig to your location. All Tempest you see is yours. Deploy it in your base to start harvesting.
General, construct the power plant to keep our base power in the green.
Face not. Over there. Getting in close. On the road. I'm moving.
Understood. Moving. Understood. Ready. Getting to position.
Vehicle repair.
At once. Acknowledge. At once.
Constructing.
Where's the job?
Our Tempest rig is under attack.
Target acknowledged.
Construction complete.
On it.
Lifeblood of the Dynasty.
Our power plants keep base structures online and provide a large construction footprint. Now, construct a machine shop near a power plant and we can put distribution mode to work.
Setting up refinement.
Secondary objective accomplished. Constructing.
Missile trooper. General. Yes, General. Ready. Flame troop. Rockets ready.
Const-
Excellent. Now we just need to build a radar station and we can locate the spy. Our machine shops are the workhorse of the Dynasty army. With multiple machine shops enhanced by our power plant's distribution mode, we vastly outproduce the enemy.
Got the plants?
Clear the skies.
Of course.
What's the word?
Oh yes, power distribution mode. I almost forgot. Try it out and watch the sparks fly.
Yes, fully charged. With this power, our production buildings go into overdrive. However, it comes with small fire risk.
Get ready to move.
Constructing.
On the lookout. What do you need?
Oh, this. Her name is Boy.
Construction complete.
Careful around here.
Secondary objective accomplished.
Here, getting in close. On the road. Whatever you say. I'm moving.
Unit ready. Unit lost. Training. Unit ready. Constructing. Constructing. Unit ready.
On it.
Construction complete. Construction complete. Primary objective accomplished.
We've traced the VIP to a GDF stronghold in the south. It looks like they're preparing to evacuate. We can't lose the informant.
Training. Unit ready.
Hello? General, moving over.
Unit ready. Unit ready. Constructing.
Vehicle repair.
Unit ready. Unit ready. Construction complete. Unit ready. Unit ready. Unit ready. Constructing. On cancel. Constructing. Unit ready. Unit ready.
Awaiting orders.
Unit ready.
Vehicle repair.
Unit ready. Construct on cancel. Constructing. Unit ready. Unit ready. Construction complete. Unit ready. Constructing.
You got the parts? I'm moving. Of course. Whatever you say.
Insufficient funds.
It's down.
Unit lost. Insufficient funds.
Fire.
Construction complete.
You got the parts?
Insufficient funds.
Using it close.
Hunt it down.
Unit lost. Insufficient funds.
Taking position.
GDF has stolen our research on the properties of the Tempest. Destroy the data core to deny them access to our data. Insufficient funds. Unit ready. Insufficient funds.
On the road. EM scanner online.
Unit ready.
Vehicle repair.
Approaching. Clear the skies.
Unit ready. Insufficient funds. Unit ready.
Using it close.
Target acknowledged. Hunt it down. Throw it up.
Unit lost.
Down.
Unit ready. Tech center destroyed.
Bring it down. Blow it up. Clear the skies. Target acknowledged. Light it up. Give me
Unit ready.
fire.
Training. Training.
Receiving your general.
Unit ready.
What was autometer? Consider it done. You got the box? On the roll.
Unit ready. Unit ready.
Blow it up. Now, shifting whip. Bring it down. Launching.
Technician. Just received and I understand.
Target acknowledged. Light it up. Fire. Clear the
Unit ready. Unit lost.
orders, General.
Training.
Target acknowledged.
Unit ready.
Be advised, I'm tracking movement to your east. It looks like they're preparing for an airlift on the other side of that bridge. I've got you authorization for the mine drop support.
Bring it down. Launching.
Unit ready. Unit ready. Unit ready.
Ready for battle.
Unit ready.
Emergency evac protocol. Let's move.
The VIP is on the move. Disable that vehicle. Don't let it leave.
Damn. Intersignal hit.